Alright, let me try this again because my recording, I forgot to check it. My recording went way past all my pictures and everything, so I don't have time for this. Okay, so I'm using Creative Scrappers number 23. I use it, a lot of times I use it for to kind of help me with my paper layers. Otherwise, I tend to do the same kind of layering. So this kind of helps give me ideas on how to use, something different than my norm. And then as far as embellishing, I think I take that off the sketch and end up kind of layering, doing the embellishment clusters how I choose. Anyway, so the insect pattern is from Maggie Holmes' Flourish called Charming. The leaf banner pattern is Maggie Holmes' Flourish called Nostalgic, and the yellow pattern is from Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful called Mood Ring. And then the picture is my nephew at his baseball game, and you can just see Jayda over his leg. Just barely see her head. Or you can just about see just her head. And it looks like she's giving him some words of encouragement. So that's what I titled it. Oh, patent. Stinker. What are you trying to do, buddy? There's no room for you over there. Oh, there's my alarm. Alright, I'll give myself a few minutes. Please don't step on my laptop. Here, go over there, if that's what you want. And then you can leave. Stinker. Alright. Alright, so the stickers are Maggie Holmes, and that's all I pretty much use on this layout are the Maggie Holmes stickers. And then that #1 fan is American Crafts High Five stickers. Sorry. My title, Words of, is Hip Kit Alphabet stickers. And the word encouragement is Dear Lizzie desktop stickers. So after I lay down my title, that completes the layout. So I have to go shower and get ready to go to work, my last day with the kids. They get to leave at noon. So hopefully I'll have that time to move so I don't have to stress about it no more. And then I can start my vacation knowing that when I come back everything's good. So I'm going to go get ready for work, and I'll do my other 2 voiceovers later. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.